I didn't believe that the way we approach the market and the customers in past 5-7 years is the way we can survive for the future. Because if we took a look back, we were originally incumbent, owned by government, then we were bought by Telefónica, the Spanish group, and then we rebranded to the O2 with a big stake of the financial investors and funds. And so what we said we shouldn't start what we did in the past, everything, but actually what really is the next stage we should move to. And as a basics, we were incumbent who had 46-47% market share in B2B. We were rich enough, we were big enough as a company with 3,500 employees, and all of these basics, which usually people consider as a great